Hello everybody. Today again I have come up with another new topic, that is hunger. Keep the hunger for ultimate goals. For keeping the hunger for ultimate goals, what do you need? What do you require? I would love to tell you. You may have heard, if you are interested in something, so you will do it because you like it. But when you are committed to do something, you will complete it, you will do it, whether you like it or not. So, what this incident is telling, this story is telling, we people make lots of excuses. Just because of making excuses, we lose our commitments. We lose every single momentum. The momentum which is lost is 100% lost, will never come back. It is not gonna come back. You know very well, some years ago I did my graduation. Some years ago I had done my schooling. So these momentums which already have passed won't come back. I have understood this. So why I'm not getting these momentums, and why I'm losing? Why? Because of making lots of excuses. So don't compromise with these all excuses, because once you make some excuses, you're losing your commitment. And when you are losing your commitment, you will not do the task because you're not gonna like it. But once you are committed, you will do the task whether you like it or not. Let me give you an example, because it requires lots of awareness. When you are committed to complete any task, it requires so much awareness. I would give you an example, you would understand soon. There was one teacher who was selected by panel. She was given one task, she was given one class. The class was very in that class, all the students were misobedient. They never used to listen to the teachers. The teacher was very cool, calm, composed and tranquil. As teacher entered, so all students were seen by that teacher and judged by that teacher, that the students were really timid sort of, just because of that their fear, they used to show off. The teacher started knowing about these students. So by and by, as teachers started getting mixed up with these students, then once teacher announced in that batch, that all students would be just given the test paper. So all students were to take the test, but the test will be taken by the students without being informed. It means teacher will not inform them. So some of the students took it carelessly, and next day teacher came. She directly gave them test paper. Student had to take the test paper and started writing. Some of the students flunked. Next, after 2 days, again teacher just gave students test paper. Again students had to take it. Then again students took all the test, whatever test paper was given by the teacher. After a week, again it happened. But the course sequence of giving the test paper by the teacher to the student, and the course sequence of taking the test paper from the that was taken by the student. So that this course sequence made the students aware. Awareness entered in their heart, and they completely became aware, and awareness approached them. Next exam, all the students were ready, and after 2 months, all students were ready to take with cool, calm, composed, and no any single student flunked that test. No any single student flunked the exam. Why? Because of the awareness. But how did they get the awareness? When they were motivated by the teacher. Teacher knew that it is the way through that students can get inspired. and students got inspired. So the story of the moral of this story is, when you want to give the commitment, so you cannot give the commitment unless you have the awareness. Second, when you are gonna get the awareness, so it means you are already motivated. So when you are motivated, you will become an aware guy. When you are an aware guy, 100% you will give the commitment. So they are the three things which we need to understand. We always mostly waste our time, squander our time just because of carelessness. And carelessness makes us waste and squander our time. It mars our life. It happens because we have lots of excuses. So next time, whenever you are gonna give the commitment and you're committed to complete the task, whether you like it or not, you need to do it. But for completing the task, for giving the commitment, you need to become an aware. And for becoming an aware, you need to be motivated. And for becoming motivated, you need to understand what is the purpose of your life. If you just combine these all four things, you would achieve your ultimate goals, which are really important in your life. Thank you guys for listening to me.